RiceDrive is a free cloud management platform that helps users achieve data migration or file synchronization between multiple cloud platforms. You can register for a free account and easily migrate data from one Google Drive to another. First, connect Google Drive to RiceDrive. Enter Google Drive as the display name. Choose an account to continue to RiceDrive. Click the Continue button. Check the checkbox and click the Continue button to grant RiceDrive access to your Google account. Google Drive has been successfully connected to RiceDrive. Then, connect another Google account to RiceDrive. Enter Google Drive B as the display name. Select another Google account to continue to RiceDrive. Click the Continue button. Check the checkbox and click the Continue button to grant RiceDrive access to your Google account B. Another Google Drive has been successfully connected to RiceDrive. Now, on the My Drives page, you can observe that both Google Drives have been successfully linked to RiceDrive. The final step is to create a transfer task from one Google Drive to another Google Drive. Enter the Cloud Transfer page and click the Create Transfer button. Select the file or folder you want to transfer in Google Drive A. In the target, select Google Drive B, and choose a folder to store files from Google Drive A. You can also set up schedules or filtering conditions for tasks to transfer files more efficiently. Once the task is configured, click the Start button to initiate and execute the transfer. The activity has been started. You can close the web page and focus on other important tasks. RiceDrive will work in the background to complete the operation. The activity has been executed successfully. Please check the log and verify if all the files have been transferred successfully. The IMG folder from Google Drive A has been successfully transferred to Google Drive B. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and I will be happy to respond.